नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज ऑफ सम स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स। क्या मतलब है भाई, क्या पढ़ना है इसमें? लाइक वी मेजर एंगल्स, एक्यूट एंगल्स, so we will memorize and learn how to calculate the values of all the trigonometric ratios for some special angles, and these angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We will memorize as well as we will learn the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec, cot and sec theta for all these 5 values. So for this I will make a table. The value of sin 0 degree is 0, sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2, 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 and 90 degree is 1. If anyone asks you what is the value of sin 0 degree, then you have to answer 0. अगर कोई पूछे sin 30 डिग्री का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तुमको बताना है 1/2. कोई पूछे sin 45 डिग्री का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तुमको बताना है 1 upon root 2. कोई पूछे sin 60 का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तुमको बताना है root 3 upon 2. और कोई पूछे 90 डिग्री का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तुमको बताना है 1. इस तरह से आपको सारे रेशियो याद करने हैं. सिमिलरली अगर कोई पूछे cos 0 डिग्री क्या होगा, तो आपको बताना है 1. कोई पूछे cos 30 डिग्री क्या होगा, आपको बताना है root 3 upon 2. कोई पूछे cos 45 क्या होगा, आपको बताना है 1 upon root 2. And if anyone asks what is the value of cos 60 degree, you have to answer 1 upon 2. What is the value of 90 degree? You have to answer 0. Tan 0 degree is 0. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. This is 1 upon, this is 1, this is root 3 and this is not defined. This sign shows that this value is not defined. Here right? Not defined. And cosec 0 will also be not defined. Cosec 30 will be 2, cosec 45 will be root 2, cosec 60 will be 2 upon root 3 and cosec 90 will be 1. This value is just the inverse of sine value. Like 1 upon 0 is not defined. The inverse of 1 upon 2 is 2. The inverse of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. The inverse of root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. The inverse of 1 is 1. For the sec will be the inverse of cos. So this will be 1. This will be 2 upon root 3. This will be root 2. This will be 2 and this will be not defined. For cot we will divide both. This will be not defined. Here we will get 2 upon this root 3. This will be 1. This will be 1 upon root 3 and this will be 0. So you have to learn this table. How to learn? There is a trick. The trick is the value is 0. You can write 0 as root under 0 upon 4. This will be 0. The value is 1 upon 2. You can write this value as 1 upon 4 under. This will be 1 upon 2. The value is 1 upon root 2. You can write this value as 2 upon 4 under root. This will be 1 upon root 2. The value is root 3 upon 2. You can write root 3 upon 2 as 3 upon 4 under root. This will be root 3 upon 2. The value is 1. You can write this as 4 upon 4 under root. The value will be 1. Now 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4 gives the specific values for the specific angles. Okay. Similarly, if we remember the first law for sin theta, then you will have to just write it from, if this is ascending, then you have to write for descending order. Like the value of sin 90 is equal to the value of cos 0. In this way you memorize this law. For tan, you have to just divide sine upon cos. The sine value upon cos value gives you tan. For cosec, you have to just inverse the sine value. Means 1 upon sine. 1 upon sine gives you cosec. For sec, 1 upon cos gives you sec. For cot, 1 upon tan gives you cot. So in this way, now you can know how you have to memorize this value. You have to remember just this value of sin theta for all these 5 angles. After that, you know how to memorize the cos theta, and if you memorize sin and cos, then you have to divide the sin value and cos value, you will get tan. After that, you will inverse the sin value, you will get cosec, inverse the cos value, get sec, inverse the tan value, get cot. So first memorize this table. Now I will teach you how to calculate, how we will get these values, how you know that sine 0 will be 0 and sine 90 will be 1. How do you know that sine 45 will be 1 upon root 2? How? There should be proof. So in the next section we will learn that. First we will learn how to calculate the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. For this, पहला step जो होगा, we have to make a right angle triangle. Let's say this is our right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle A, B, C. We are calculating the value of trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. So first we will assume कि इस दोनों एक्यूट एंगल में से कोई एक एक्यूट एंगल जो है वो 45 डिग्री का है. सपोज ये एंगल 45 डिग्री का है. You can also assume this angle as 45 degree, but here I assume angle ACB as 45 degree. Then what will happen? This angle is 90 degree, this angle is 45 degree, so we know angle A plus angle B plus angle C must be equal to 180 degree. Here angle A we don't know, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 45 degree, so this is equal to 180 degree. If we subtract this from this, we will get angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree, and this will be equal to 45 degree. Now, what is the importance of this? Why we calculate the value of angle A? We also find this angle is 45 degree. Now, अगर तुम ध्यान से इस ट्रायंगल को देखो, इस ट्रायंगल की दो एक्यूट एंगल जो है वो इक्वल है. इट मींस इस एंगल का अपोजिट वाला साइड ये और इस एंगल के अपोजिट वाली साइड ये दोनों साइड भी क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव कंक्लूडेड दैट साइड AB must be equal to side BC. AB is equal to BC since angle A is equal to angle C. क्योंकि एंगल ए और एंगल सी बराबर है तो उसके अपोजिट वाले साइड ए और बी दोनों बराबर होंगे. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहीं पे एज्यूम कर लेते हैं, लेट ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी इज इक्वल टू एक्स. अब इस दोनों साइड का लेंथ क्या हो गया? एक्स मीटर हो गया सपोज है. अब हम लोग जब हमको इसका वैल्यू पता है एक्स और हमको इसका भी वैल्यू पता है एक्स, तो हम ये कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होगा? AC is equal to, AC is the longest side, it means it is the hypotenuse, so AC is equal to under root of AB square plus BC square, and AB and BC both values are x, so this will be under root of x square plus x square, and this is 2x square. So we get the value of, and here x square comes out from the root, we get root 2x. So the value of AC is equal to under root 2x. Now we know all the tricks how to find the values. We have the length of sides. Now we can calculate the trigonometric ratios. So for sin theta we will take the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular is, let's say we have decided this angle as theta, na? Previously we have decided this angle as theta, so perpendicular will be h, AB upon AC, and this will be equal to x upon root 2x, and here these two values of x get cancelled out, we get 1 upon root 2. Now you can match from the table that the value of sine 45 degree, the theta is 45 degree. We will write here as sine 45 degree. The value of theta is 45 degree. Now you can match from the table that sine 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Similarly, take the ratio for cos 45. Cos 45 degree. This will be equal to base upon hypotenuse, and this will be equal to BC upon AC, and this will be equal to x upon root 2x, and this will be equal to 1 upon root 2. Now you can also match this value from your table. Now we have to calculate for tan theta. Tan 45 degree. Tan theta is equal to cos theta, sorry, tan theta is equal to sin theta, theta is 45 degree here, upon cos theta, and we will divide these two values, 1 upon root 2 upon में 1 upon root 2. The both value are same, we will gives us 1. Tan 45 is 1. Now you will calculate the value of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. कमेंट सेक्शन में आप लोग कैलकुलेट करके बताएंगे कैसे करना है। आपको पता है साइन थीटा का इनवर्स ले लोगे तो हमको कॉसेक थीटा मिल जाएगा, या फिर तुम h अपॉन p का रेशियो ले लोगे तो कॉसेक मिल जाएगा। सेक के लिए cos का इनवर्स ले लो या फिर h अपॉन b का रेशियो ले लो। कॉट के लिए tan का इनवर्स ले लो या फिर कॉसेक अपॉन सेक का रेशियो ले लो या फिर बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर का रेशियो ले लो। तो ये तीनों रेशियो आप लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे, टेबल से मैच करेंगे, सही आ रही है या फिर नहीं आ रही है, और कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताएंगे। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू। जाते जाते वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, शेयर कर दो, दोस्तों को बता दो। बाय।
See you there.